I'm very happy and very pleased to be interviewing this morning Dr. Benjamin Sarfati. Benjamin Sarfati is a very good Jewish plastic surgeon from Paris, okay? He comes to visit all the time, and he's a very talented guy. He's been teaching us for many years about breast reconstruction and aesthetic breast surgery. And we want to try and make him do Aliyah, but it's not working. Me and Jeremy Needham are working on it, but it...
I'm working on it also.
Yeah, okay.
It's a long way.
So, Benjamin, thank you very much for coming.
Thank you.
How are COVID things in Paris right now?
Now it's much better, but
Okay.
it was like everybody, a disaster. But now it's getting better and better. Everybody almost is vaccinated. So, and the good thing is I'm here, so it's a good sign.
Okay.
Everything is good now.
Perfect. So tell me, for people who don't know, where do you practice plastic surgery?
For French people, you have to know that we never move.
Okay.
We always do all our fellowship, all our training in Paris or in France.
Okay.
You know why? Because French surgeon thinks they are the best. We are not
sure.
the best at all. But nothing is organized for us to move another country. So most of the time we do all education in France.
So
it's a pity.
So do you work in Paris? Do you work in a general hospital, or do you work in a private clinic, or both?
I do both. I work in private clinic where I do half aesthetic surgery and half reconstructive surgery. And I work also in Gustave Roussy. Gustave Roussy is a comprehensive cancer center. Here I do only breast reconstruction and breast cancer surgery. And I also develop robotic surgery for breast mastectomy.
Which is, you're very young. You know, people coming all over the world to learn mastectomy using the robot from you. How the hell did you get to it?
I was very lucky. The true story is we received as a gift the robot, and the big boss of Gustave Roussy told us that, okay, plastic surgeon, you can use the robot 1 day per week.
Okay.
But at this moment, nobody knows what we can do with that. But
teach him to make cocktails or something.
Yeah, exactly. But you know, I'm a geek. I like to play PlayStation, everything. So I like this kind of device. So we have to find a way to do that. So we have the idea to do the mastectomy in another way, to reduce the scar, put the scar outside of the breast. So we tried, and it was a success. So
it was a success. You've been doing it for how long?
No, my first patient was in 2015. And since I do that, now each time I do robotic surgery, I have people who are coming from all over the world, and they are doing now everywhere. So
cool.
It's a good story.
And you're in your private clinic, when you do aesthetic surgery, what is the array of plastic surgery that you, aesthetic plastic surgery that you offer your patients?
I do most of breast. I'm well known for breast reconstruction, so naturally I'm well known now for breast aesthetic surgery.
So reduction, mastopexy, augmentation. Do you do some facial aesthetics, abdomen?
Yeah, sometimes, but abdomen not so much. I don't like it very well, but face and breast are the most common surgery for me.
Perfect. And growing up as a resident, and you know, you want to become a good surgeon, you want to become maybe well known, because you do have a passion for medical education. Who did you look up to?
The secret is I don't have a real master.
Okay.
I'm a guy from the street. No. Well, the key is not to have one master. Is to see a lot of people. You have to travel. For me, this is a...
Where did you travel?
Never, nowhere. That's the problem. The problem. I start to travel with the Congress, and I discover all the surgeons over the world, and that's why when I saw the surgeon that I never heard about them, I decided to organize one Congress in Paris, the first Congress in France.
The Paris-Brest.
Paris-Brest Rendezvous, the first international Congress in English, only about breast. It doesn't exist before this edition. It's crazy. In France, we only see French people.
Okay. Now, why are you so passionate about medical education? Because you're giving a lot of your time, which is probably kind of busy.
Exactly.
And you're traveling not only to Israel many times, but probably around the world.
We do a lot of master classes because when you think you do well, when you think that this is a way to do something, and you see other people ask how you do that, you can't teach them with only one lecture in a congress. You have to do a compagnonnage, like we say in France. So we have to organize masterclasses, dissection on cadaver, and you need time for that. And really, when you see one surgeon coming to see you, and when after 1 week he tell you, okay, you have changed everything, I will do totally different, you feel happy with that.
Yeah. If one of our residents is watching this interview, which is part of one of the main missions of these interviews, and they want to become the next Benjamin Sarfati, without growing up in Paris, what would you tell them? What would be your advice, even though I know it's kind of hard, but maybe you have a pearl of wisdom?
First, you have to shave your hair.
Okay.
Because hair is totally has been, okay?
This is good.
You have to gain weight. And
you and Yoav, and Radu.
Nobody has hair anymore.
And Tomer.
Yeah, it has been. No, I think the secret is to be excellent in one field. Choose one field. Me, I have the chance to do breast reconstructive surgery. Don't try to do everything. And when I do all my education was focused on cancer surgery. But now I have patients who are coming for breast aesthetic because they know I do cancer surgery, so they are confident with that. They trust me because I do cancer on breast, so I won't do a mess for breast aesthetic surgery. So find a field, be the best on that, and after that the patient will come for anything else.
Perfect. Few quick questions, maybe your fun part. Let's start. What kind of music do you listen to in the OR, if at all?
Yeah, for sure. We do a lot of French music because I love
French hip hop, French house.
No, French old music.
House music, like what?
No, French old music.
Okay.
I like to sing.
You like to sing?
Like to sing in the OR, but trust me, it's a disaster.
Yeah.
And I also listen a lot of R&B and hip hop.
Okay, yeah. Nice.
Yeah, I love that.
What's your favorite food? La shir? No. We should not sing because I have the voice of a crow.
Trust me, you don't want that. Trust me. Trust me.
Maybe Jeremy can sing. I don't know. Jeremy is a good singing voice.
Jeremy can do everything. So just ask.
I agree. What's your favorite food?
Really?
Really?
It's hummus.
Not really.
Really?
Do you get good hummus in Paris?
No. That's why I'm here.
Really?
Yeah. Hummus basar for me. Is the best.
And do you have you're half a citizen of Tel Aviv. Do you have a favorite place?
I used to go to Port Said.
Port Said.
Port Said is one of my best places. And I also love the red meat sandwich with entrecôte.
You're a hipster.
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
I don't have long hair, but
outside of Israel.
Yeah.
And Paris and France. What's your favorite country?
I have to say I travel a lot, but I don't have a favorite country except Israel for sure. But I like to change each time. I don't have a favorite country.
Okay.
Yeah.
So everything.
Everything.
World
and
traveler.
Especially Israel. Trust me. This is where I come more.
You have family here?
I have a cousin here. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. What's something that nobody knows about you?
Maybe you don't know that I'm a part of a music band, but
really?
Yeah.
You're a singer?
Not the problem. I try, but they fire me. But the problem is I'm at the wrong place. I just play piano, so I'm in the back of the stage. Nobody see me, and all the fan comes for the singer and the guitarist.
And it works? Do you have shows and stuff?
We have shows, but for few people. But trust me, nobody knows me.
What's the name of the band?
Chips and Pita.
Chips? Juice?
Yeah, really?
And one last thing. What outside of piano, do you have another hobby?
I play tennis and I discovered the paddle. Do you know paddle?
No.
Paddle is a new way to play tennis.
It's
more
paddle
small
tennis.
tennis.
I love it.
For me, this is the future of the tennis. I just discovered that in
Marbella. It's half ping pong,
between
half
tennis and mat court, you know?
We call it pango, I think.
Pango?
Pango. I love it.
Really? I think this is the future of the tennis.
Cool.
So this is my new passion.
Man, we're gonna see you many times again.
I hope so.
Because you come every year, and thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Cheers.
You're welcome. Thank you very much.